Hi guys, today we are at the Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort and Spa in Hawaii. And I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of our room. Our room category is an Ocean View King with club access. So we are closer to the club level lounge. The resort itself is pretty large, it's 57 acres, lots to do here. And a little bit secluded, so a lot of people when they come here they end up staying here. They have a lot of nice restaurants and it is considered a 5-star resort. So let me show you our king bedroom. Here's our view down in the hallway, and it's actually open air overlooking the spa. The site is beautiful too. This is the, I guess, garden view side. And here's our room number 6022, 6th floor. They give you these little beads here for room occupied. So when you walk in the door, bathroom is directly on your right. And the bathroom has 2 pocket doors. If you want to close them for a little more privacy for getting ready. Here you have stand-up shower with a rain head and a handheld. Over here we have double sinks, and then toiletries. You have your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion, which are all from the Anara Spa from the hotel. Makeup mirror, extra towels, soap, hair dryer, and your tissues. Over here in the toilet area, you have a separate door with a full-length mirror and a toilet with a nice bidet. Coming around here from behind the bathroom, you have your closet area, where in your closet you have storage, a few drawers, nice robes, iron and ironing board, and some extra pillows and blankets up here. From your closet, moving on, we have the coffee station here, which they give you your water bottles, which they gave us at the other Andaz and Hyatt in Maui, so that you can refill your water as you go. You have a nice Nespresso machine, ice bucket, and then down here you have your usual safe, and then a mini fridge. They give you 2 water bottles. And then entering the main part of the room, we have the king bed. You do have a ceiling fan here. Plenty of storage for all your stuff here with flat screen. We did get this really nice welcome area. They gave us champagne because it is our anniversary. Some fresh fruit, welcome letter, in-room dining menu. You also have back here this charging station, blackout curtains. This is a pull-out sofa. It's just for 1 person, so I guess you can fit up to 3 in the king bedrooms. Now from here you have our ocean view balcony. It's actually quite a large balcony, and you do have a screen door, so if you want to sleep with the door open, you can. It will just shut off the air conditioning when you do so. Really large balcony with a table, 2 chairs, and then of course the view. Thanks guys so much for watching. We're probably gonna head out to the Grand Club Lounge now to get some snacks. Every day they serve continental breakfast there, afternoon snacks, evening hors d'oeuvres, as well as dessert. Complimentary for anybody in the club level, and see what that's about. And maybe we'll bring our lays that we get for free here. If y'all don't mind giving us a thumbs up over here and subscribing if you'd like to see more hotel room tours. I have a bunch here from Hawaii, Maui, Oahu, and Kauai, and then a lot more travels on my page. Thank you. Bye-bye.